In this video, I'm going to show you how to get precision code analyzers in the First Descendant. So, what you want to do is basically pull up the map, okay? So you can simply pull up the map in-game, and then you will see that these are actually just random drops from enemies anywhere in the entire map, okay? So, you can get these from mission monsters from all areas in the First Descendant. So like Kingston, Vespers, or Sterile Lands, they all drop code analyzers. However, with that said, drop rate for these items is slightly lower, okay, than maybe something else. So yeah, if you're looking for ultra precision code analyzers, there's going to be a very low drop rate. However, if you're looking for a lower tier of those, you may get them quite easily, okay? Just fight off those monsters and you'll be able to get them in no time and farm them as much as you can, okay? So that's pretty much it. That's how you get precision code analyzers in the First Descendant, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.